Welcome to the problem at hand. We want to map an array to a different type, but we're facing a challenge. The current solution we tried only gives us a result in unions, rather than the dedicated type for each field. It's not quite what we're looking for, but fear not, a solution is on the horizon. In the solution provided, we introduce the concept of indexed access types. By using type item equals inNumber, we access each element of the array tuple type seamlessly. This enables us to work with the elements as needed, bringing us one step closer to our desired outcome. Building upon the previous step, we delve deeper into the code structure. With type item equals inNumber, we now have a comprehensive type that encapsulates all the necessary information. This type includes the labels and corresponding actions of each element, paving the way for a more refined mapping process. Moving forward, we employ mapped types and key remapping to achieve the end goal. By defining type result, iterating over each element's label and actions, we produce the desired mapping with dedicated types for each field A, with actions A and B with actions C and D. It's a refined approach that streamlines the mapping process effectively. In conclusion, we've navigated through the problem of mapping an array to a different type, overcoming obstacles with a strategic approach. By leveraging indexed access types, mapped types, and key remapping, we've successfully tailored the output to meet our requirements. And with that, we bid farewell. Remember to subscribe, like, and comment below. Your feedback keeps us going. Who knew mapping could be this intriguing?